YT at Dictionary. In a general context, a firearm is a portable and handheld weapon designed to discharge projectiles, typically bullets or shells, through the force of an explosive chemical reaction. Firearms come in various types, including handguns, rifles, shotguns, and machine guns, each designed for specific purposes such as self-defense, hunting, sport shooting, or military use. They consist of essential components like a barrel, trigger, ammunition chamber, and firing mechanism. Firearms have played a significant role in history, warfare, and modern society, influencing laws, regulations, and debates surrounding issues of personal safety, gun control, and the Second Amendment in many countries.